Hello everyone, hope you're doing well and welcome to another video of CSS Advanced course. So in this video we're going to talk about the transition in CSS. Before jumping over to the main point, if you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so you'll get the notification of my new video when I upload them. Alright, so let's get started. So as I mentioned before, in this video we're going to talk about the transition. So the CSS transition provide a way to control animation speed. The CSS transition is used to control the speed of an element. So as you can see, when we hover the cursor to this element, it will change its size immediately. Its width is going to change immediately. What we are going to do, we are going to jump over to the CSS, and here we're going to use that. So the transition has 4 property, which is delay, property, timing function, and duration. So here first we're going to type transition, and here we're going to choose the property. So by using a property or transition property, we're going to specify the part of the element that we are going to add the changes in it. So here I'm going to specify the width, because I want to say that when I hover the cursor, its width should be changed. So when I save this and when I hover, so for now it is going to change its width immediately, but this is not enough. We are going to add some more. So here I'm going to add transition delay. So this will add some delay into its speed. This means that it will increase the size of this element after 1 second. As you can see, when I remove the cursor, here you go. When I hover the cursor, after 1 second, it's going to increase its width. It's going to add the delay, 1 second delay into its speed. And after that, what I'm going to, third one is transition duration. So here I'm going to control the speed of the element. So here I'm going to say 0.5 seconds. So it will take 0.5 seconds or half a second to increase the size of this element. So when I hover the cursor, as you can see, it will take half a second to increase its width. This means that we have added some animation to the element to increase its width. So the last one, we have the transition timing function. Transition timing function, it will use to control the speed of a curve, and it has some properties like easy in, easy in out, easy out, liner. So first here we're going to use a liner, and let's save this. So when we hover the cursor, as you can see, it will smoothly increase its width. If we now here, let's increase the height. So the height is going to be 250 pixels. So when I hover the cursor, as you can see, its height is going to increase immediately. There we go. See, its height is going to increase immediately, because here I have only specified the transition property. This means that we are going to only target the width of this element. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to type all. So this means that we are going to target all parts of that element. So when I hover the cursor, as you can see, its height and width is increasing its size smoothly, not immediately. And we can also add all of these code in just one single line. So let me first just write transition, and here first we are going to specify the part of that element. So I'm going to target all. After that, we are going to specify the delay, 1 second, and the duration will be 0.5 second, and after that I'm going to specify the timing function. liner, and let's save it. So when I hover the cursor, it will increase its size, as you can see. It's very smoothly. Alright, so that's it. So now let's have some fun. Let's create this. Let's create it more interesting. And now when we hover the cursor, this square type should be changed into a circle. So for this, what I'm going to do, I'm going to first change its background color. So the background color should be green, and border radius should be 50. And after that, I'm going to add the transform. We have already learned about transform in our previous video, and here I'm going to target the transform rotate, and here I'm going to use the rotate by degree and save this. When I hover the cursor, this square is going to change into a circle very smoothly. So I hover, as you can see, it's going to change smoothly into a circle. And you can also change the color as you wish. Here we go. So that's it. Play with these codes, and thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so you'll get the notification of my new video when I upload them. And if you have any question, any suggestion, please leave the comment below. If you like this video, please hit the like button.